Feeling a little disco today. Hi there, welcome to the channel. My name is Maria and today I'm going to make a tagliatelle pasta with a cream sauce. I'm going to surprise you with a little bit of bacon bits in there, a whole bunch of goodness on a budget. So stick around and don't forget, ingredients will be linked down below. So let's get started. Here we are, we're in the kitchen and we've got everything we need to make this dish. So we've got some red pepper, some bacon, some garlic, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some salt, fresh garlic, Boursin cheese, some milk, and of course the tagliatelle pasta. Now, with this dish, I'm going to start off with a pot of boiling water. Almost there. You can go ahead and pick the pasta. I've got my frying pan ready for the bacon, so we're going to put that in there and we're going to fry up the bacon. That's the first step. Okay, I've got the bacon frying away. I have to put a little bit of olive oil in this frying pan because there's not enough fat on this bacon. And I didn't want to fry it up because I don't want to overcook the bacon. Pasta water is ready. Perfect. I like to cook my pasta al dente, so we're going to go ahead and put our pasta in the pot. Hi, Ellen. 10 minutes. Sure. He's hungry. He just come in and ask how long before dinner. All right, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bacon. You don't want to overcook the bacon. Make sure. I don't want it too. Well, I wanted a golden brown without drying it out. Okay, I think 8. We usually do 8 nests for the 2 of us, and that's plenty. I absolutely love this pasta. It's actually my second favorite pasta. My favorite pasta is penne. And you keep an eye on the pasta. We want to cook it al dente. Never overcook pasta. Okay, this is looking really, really nice, this bacon. Now I'm just going to throw in the red peppers. And they are sweet, but 2 cloves of garlic that I'm going to press into this bacon. This won't be wearing like apron. I don't get any stains on my shirt. This apron I wear is actually, I cherish this apron. It belonged to my mother, who's no longer with us, and I miss her dearly. I'll show you. And funny thing is, it's a Christmas theme, but I don't care. I love her, and every time I wear it, I just feel like she's with me. I love my mommy. I'm sure everyone else out there understands. All right, let's get back to our dinner. Just want to, it's on low right now. We just want to soften that red pepper. The bacon's fine. Same spoon. Start our pasta. I'm so used to cooking for more than just 2 people. It's just a habit, I guess. But I also really enjoy having leftovers because there's nothing better than leftovers in my opinion. I take 2 garlic cloves. Uno. This is an amazing garlic press that does not require removing skins from the garlic. just put it in there and press. And that's it. It works really, really nice. Literally nothing left. Not sure if you can see that. I'm gonna turn that off. Bacon's done. Bacon, peppers, and garlic are in there. And I'm going to cover this for now and just set it aside. Let's keep checking our pasta. And the last thing we need to do now is make the sauce. And with the sauce, we need a little bit of the pasta water. Oh, that's not ready. We're going to need 1 package of Boursin, garlic and herb. I love this stuff. Oh. It's so good. Oops, I just spilled some milk. That's okay. 2 more cloves of garlic pressed into this. You can tell I love garlic. Clean up as we go. There's nothing to it. Now, I probably should have warmed up the milk, but this is easiest is just to get the whisk out and whisk this and then just stick it in the microwave if it's still a little lumpy. A little dash of black pepper, sprinkle of salt, and just there we go again. It's garlic powder. That was barely anything. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. Just stir it up. Pasta again. Oops. Remember, al dente. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. Very, very hot. I don't need the whole thing. I'm gonna say a couple more minutes. Probably got it on the wrong burner. It's okay. It's almost made. It's almost ready. Almost done is what I meant to say. So we're just stirring this together, and the goal here is just to make sure we don't have any lumps. If you have a few lumps, I mean, you could put it in the microwave. It doesn't, you don't have to, because the pasta is going to be hot, everything's going to be hot, and it'll melt, it'll all infuse, and it'll be fine. But normally you should add the warm milk just to make things a little bit easier. But I think it's pretty good. Looks good. So we'll grab a tablespoon and yeah, there's no lumps in there. Okay. That garlic really gives it that. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, baby, baby. Just waiting for the pasta. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add Grana Padano cheese. I love this stuff, and that will taste really nice on the pasta. So I'm just going to get everything ready. I think it's ready. It's al dente. That's exactly what I want. Turn it off. I did put a little bit of olive oil in the bacon mix because the bacon was a little dry when I was frying it. That's nice. All right. I need a little bit of this water just in case I have to add some more liquid instead of the milk. So what I'll do is I'll just grab a mug. I'll stick that in there. Not quite have a put it aside. I'm going to strain the pasta. Oh, great. Now, we want to turn on the flame on medium low. And I want to add the milk mixture. I'm going to wait for this to thicken up a little bit before I add the bacon, the pepper, and garlic from the frying pan in here. I'll show you what it looks like up close. So it's starting to bubble. That's what we want. We'll thicken, and we'll finish it off by placing the bacon, peppers, and garlic. But you want to hear it sizzling. Okay, there it goes. Try not to put too much of that olive oil in there. Stir it all up. And I'm going to it's looking good. I don't think I'm going to need that extra water in here. It's really nice. This is where I would add some of the cheese, the Padano, the Grana Padano. Grana Padano, love, love, love this cheese. Pecorino works well if you have it. If not, that's fine. Not too much. Okay, this is just about ready. A little bit of pepper. And this is best eaten right away. I will make it and have it for the next day if there's leftovers, and I just nuke it, microwave it, and it's fine, but really it should be eaten the same day. So I'm gonna test it for salt and pepper. I'm gonna grab pasta and the bacon and hopefully a bit of pepper. Oh yes, baby, I love it. I love it. It's divine. Okay, it's ready for plating. We're all ready to go. Let me give you a close-up. That's all it is. Quick and easy, economical, and delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate it, and I'm gonna dig into it. There is the tagliatelle pasta with bacon, cream sauce, and all I put on top was a bit more of the Grana Padano and some chives. Now they're not fresh chives, they're just dry chives. That's what I like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you try out this delicious recipe. It's simple enough to make and just cost a few dollars, really, for a family of 4. So let's dig in, and bon appetit. All right, so Alan's in the middle of doing something with the neighbors, so I just gone ahead and he said, just go ahead and start eating. So here I am. Yummy, baby, yummy. I love anything creamy sauces. That cheese on top really brings it home. remember, it's always served as soon as it's ready off the stove. It tastes best that way. I can't get enough. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you'll try this recipe because it's so easy to make. Please, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. We're growing our community, and I hope that you will join us. So stay tuned for more recipes, some more exciting wood-fired oven cooking, and some traveling, some gardening, a little bit of everything. It's our life here. So thanks again for watching, and take care. Wow, I am already not quite a third into my meal and I'm full. I may have just put a little bit too much in my plate. This is life, trying something new. Well, I guess it works. Something that's quite unique to Madeira is the outside kitchen. It's completely covered. We've got cabinets, countertops, balanced, good supply of wood. This is our outdoor kitchen that we use. It's just adjacent to the kitchen at the house. And the reason why Madeirans do this is mostly because of cooking, especially seafood, fish, shellfish, and things like that. And I don't mind it at all. We used to use our barbecue here, our wood-burning barbecue, almost every day until we had our wood-fired oven built downstairs at pool level. So we don't use this room very much anymore. I do, just for cooking up some fish most of the time.